Okay, here we go. Yeah, this is a Kubota B6000 four-wheel drive tractor, a little micro tractor. Gray market, I believe. Anyway, very cool. Doesn't run yet. It did before. It's been parked for about 4 years. So, someone added that. Everything's there. This has to be fixed. A little bent. It's kind of hard to walk around this thing, so bear with me. Tires are in good shape. A little sun checked on the side walls on the front and back. It is a killer tiller attachment. I've got all the 3-point hitch hardware. It's a little 2-cylinder diesel. And let's see if I can do this. Hard to look through this while I'm doing it. It's missing a key, so I have to do a little hot wiring. I gotta pick up a battery for it. It has the little 12.5 horsepower liquid cooled diesel engine. Very cool, very cute. Little bath air cleaner. Kind of a crappy video, I apologize. Okay, let me try the other side.